Hi friends, welcome to my channel Amina's Vlog. It's standard social science textbook activities and their answers. First lesson, early human life. Paleolithic age. Observe the pictures. These are the cave paintings drawn by the Paleolithic men around 10,000 years back. Why were they drawn inside the caves? What were the features of these cave paintings? Discuss. Answer. Most of them are pictures of animals, haunted animals, different colors used in cave paintings. They collectively engaged. Next, what information about the life of the early man can be obtained from these pictures? Answer. Haunted animals collectively engaged in recreational activities. Observe the movements of animals. Men lived intermingled with animals. They knew the art of painting. Cave paintings are a source of information about the early human life. Substance. Different colors were used in the cave paintings. The colors were made from mixtures of plant extracts and powder laterite. In addition to the figures of bison and boar that you see in the given pictures, the figure of horse, deer, lion, leopard, bear, hyena, etc. can also be seen in the different caves. Animal fat was used as fuel for lighting in the caves where sunlight was insufficient. The pictures of hunting are the evidence of their planning of the hunting ground and the prey. Pictures were drawn on the ceiling of the caves as well. This stands in evidence for the dexterity of early humans. Residue of cooked food, ashes, bones, and skulls of animals, leftovers of fruits, vegetables, and freshwater fishes, etc., were also discovered from the caves. What else can we comprehend from about them? From the early human life? Answer. They cooked food, fruits, vegetables, and freshwater fish were included. Bones of animals were used as weapons. What information about the Paleolithic human life is obtained from the caves? Conduct a discussion based on the following hints: tools, social life, food, planning, shelter, artistic skills, means of livelihood, use of fire. Answer. The Paleolithic humans hunted collectively. The stronger among them led the group. There was no gender difference in hunting. They ate the flesh of hunted animals and carcasses. For hunting, they mainly used weapons made of stones. They also used bones of animals, ivory, pieces of wood, etc. as weapons. Hide and bark were used as clothes. The bones of animals were used as needles for sewing. Can the Paleolithic age be termed as the age of hunters? Why? Answer. Hunting greatly influenced the lives of the Paleolithic age people. Therefore, this period was known as the age of hunters. There are several pieces of evidences for the technological advancement of early humans. The making of tools and their improvement helped them to attain such progress. A few of them are given below. Stone statues were made, human figures were molded from clay, vessels were woven out of bark fiber. Pictures were drawn on the bones and horns of animals on cave and rocks. Ornaments of ivory, bones, stones, and shells were made. Flute-like wind instruments were made out of bones. Next, the field in which the Paleolithic man attained progress are listed below. Find out examples for each from the unit. Fields: sculpture, modern of human being, stone statues, paintings, cave paintings and rock, handicraft, ornamentally flute instruments, vessels, pots. Next, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is a remarkable Paleolithic site. Rock shelter was a silent feature of this site. Besides Bhimbetka, there are several such sites in India that provide evidence for the Paleolithic human life. Marked in the map are a few sites in India from where the evidence for the Paleolithic human inhabitations were found. We complete Paleolithic age. Next is the Mesolithic age. Observe the tools in the picture. How are they different from the tools of the Paleolithic age? They are small stone tools with sharp points. These type of tools were used in the period subsequent to the Paleolithic age. This age is also known as the Mesolithic age. Why is the Mesolithic age called Microlithic age? Answer. After Paleolithic age, the people used small stone tools with sharp points, so the Mesolithic age is called the Microlithic age. What could have been the uses of these tools? To hunt animals by fastening to a pole, to throw down animals and other things, to remove skin from the hunted animals. Hunting became extensive in the Mesolithic age. As a result, many animals became extinct. Mammoth is an example for such a species. Man discovered new sources of food in this period. They ate edible grass, dolphin, otter, whale, fishes, and so on. Mammoth returned. Mammoths who belonged to the elephant family lived around 10,000 years back. Now scientists are trying to resurrect the mammoth through cloning. This scientific venture is attempted on the well-preserved carcasses for the mammoth discovered keep under ice from Siberia in 2013. It has been confirmed that the liquid got from the carcasses is blood. The scientists look forward to resurrecting the mammoth with thick fur covered body and long tusks. Tori Hertz, a paleontologist, leads his experiment. From the given figure, identify the progress in human life during the Mesolithic age. Evidence for human life in the Mesolithic age have been discovered from various countries in Europe and West Asia. In India, such evidence have been found from Bagor in Rajasthan and Adamgarh in Madhya Pradesh. Compare the human life in the Mesolithic age with that of the Paleolithic age. Mesolithic age. Domesticated dog began to exchange food, tools, ornaments, etc. Dogs were tied together and used for navigation. Bows and arrows were used for hunting. Was able to hunt animals from afar. Began settled life. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.